What's the meaning of Cheerios? Cheerios. Cheerios.
Cheerios. Cheerios. Cheerios is a brand of breakfast cereal that was first introduced in 1941. The cereal consists of small, torus-shaped oat pieces that are typically eaten with milk. Cheerios are known for their distinctive texture and taste, and are a popular choice among children and adults alike. The name Cheerios is said to be derived from cheer, as in a shout of encouragement, and the O shape of the cereal. Overall, Cheerios is a well-known and beloved brand that has been a staple of American breakfasts for generations.